In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to work your plantar flexion on one of these Bosu balls. So firstly, on the Bosu ball, we've got variability, which means that when we've got the feet on the Bosu ball, it's going to move. There's air in the Bosu ball. It's not going to be like doing this when we're just on the floor and we know that our contact with the floor doesn't change. On the Bosu ball, our contact with the foot is going to change. We're going to have to stabilize a lot more. And this means we're going to be working on our balance a heck of a lot more and proprioception. So firstly, if you've never done this before, what I would do is I would take the Bosu against something that's a fixed resistance, or in my case, a wall. That means that if I get tricked by the exercise or I lose my balance slightly, I've got the wall there immediately that I can grab onto, and it takes that risk out. So firstly, what you're going to do is you're going to bring your foot, both of your feet here, in the middle of the Bosu ball. From here, you're going to then take your hands off that fixed resistance object, get your balance before coming up, squeezing the calf and back down. So when I say up, I'm coming onto my tiptoes and slowly back down. You'll notice I'm having to stabilize each time as I change from the position of my foot being more forefoot to more on my heels. If that's too much and you're losing your balance, you can pop your fingers or your hands on that fixed resistance object or wall and just come up and back down in that position. Once you get really good, you can take this into a single leg variation, or alternatively, you could start to hold the seconds at the top for longer and bring your descent into the exercise, or your eccentric motion, lower and slower into the Bosu ball. That's how to do plantar flexion or calf raises on a Bosu ball.